Hey, what's up? Jigsaw here. Do you want to add subtitles to your videos without having to manually type in every word or phrase at every timestamp? In this video, I will show you how to add them automatically on your Windows or Mac computer. Let's go. If you're still using different tools for video editing, and another for compressing, converting, and so on, it's time you discover a single software that does it all. Personally, I really enjoy using this tool because it offers an all-in-one video and audio toolkit that can convert various media formats, compress file sizes while keeping the original quality, and offers AI-powered functions like automatically generating subtitles. Want to try it out? Well, then you can use my link below to download the software and get a special discount as a new user. Once you've installed the software, there are two ways to add subtitles to your video. If you want to automatically add captions, go to the Subtitle Generator menu. Upload your video file and the program will analyze it and convert the detected audio to text for you. Once it's done, you'll see in the preview window how the subtitles have been automatically added to your video. What's even better, if you notice small typos in your text, you can fix them right in the editor. Plus, you can customize how your subtitles look to make them super clear and easy to read by changing the font style, background, and position. These subtitles will be automatically embedded into your video, but if you want to save them also as a separate SRT or TXT file, just check the Export Subtitle option below. Finally, click Export to save your video with the subtitles. On the other hand, if you already have your subtitles in a separate SRT or TXT file and you want to merge them with your video, go to the Video Editor menu from the main screen. Import your video. Head over to the More option and open the subtitle settings. Click Add Subtitle and upload either an SRT or TXT file. Then quickly check the Output Preview to make sure the subtitles are inserted exactly as you want them. You can also further customize the subtitles by adjusting the font size, color, background, and position. After setting it up, click the Save and Export buttons, respectively, to start combining the video and subtitle files. When the merge is complete, go to the Finished tab and click Open to go directly to the folder where your file is saved. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.